Which model represents 12 times 14? So I can see here that I have an area model picture, 4 different pictures that might represent 12 times 14. So out to the side, I'm going to write the equation that's actually displayed by this with the numbers that are here. So here I have 10 plus 2 is 12, and then 10 plus 4 is 14, and I do have what might be a flat and 2 rods to represent the 10 and the 2 for breaking apart the 12 and then the 14 over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, this looks good. I'm going to look here, and now I have 12 times 11, so that can't be it. Here I have 12 times, well, it's really not an array, so it can't be a multiplication equation at all, so it cannot be the right answer. Then over here I have 12 here, and it's missing the 10. I could put it there, and then I've got 12 times 12, which is not what the question is asking, so that is also not the right answer. So the correct answer choice is A.